Tuna Shanghai by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: tuna flakes, lumpia wrapper, and cooking oil. First, drain tuna flakes residue using a strainer. Then beat the tuna flakes using a fork. Then add a little amount of tuna flakes into the wrapper. Wrap properly and seal with water. Do this for the rest of the mixture. Heat ample amount of cooking oil, then add the wrapped tuna to deep fry. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown in medium heat. And do this for the rest. Perfect with chili sauce on the side. Again, here are the ingredients for Friendship Menu's Tuna Shanghai. Like and share! Thank you for watching!